You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words, and yes, I know it confuses a lot of people, especially the top one, but those two are homophones, meaning that they are pronounced exactly the same way. They have the same pronunciation, no difference in their pronunciation. Both those words are pronounced past. Yes, you know, the time that has gone by is called the past, right? With a T sound at the end, spelling P-A-S-T. The top word has a very different spelling, but it's also pronounced past. Yes, it's spelled P-A-S-S-E-D, but there's no D sound. It's a T sound, just like past, the past. Time has passed. Time passes. The past is gone. Past. It's all the same pronunciation, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.